Hello guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, we are doing the Bingoofshame collab for April. I had to think of the month. It is very early in the morning, so my apologies. So if you want to see all of the deets and what palette I'll be using and the look, let's get into it. So this is now hosted by Sandra. I will have her listed in the description box as well as all the deets. There's now 3 ways to participate in Bingoofshame. There is a neutral palette that gets pulled and a colorful palette that gets pulled. Everyone in the Instagram group gave their recommendations for those palettes, and they were put into a wheel, so those wheels get spun every month. And then there is also a theme for every month. So if you don't have either of those palettes and don't want to dupe those palettes, you can just participate in the theme. And for the theme for April, that is cat themed. So you can use a cat palette, do a cat themed look, do a makeup look based off your cat or someone else's cat. It's pretty open-ended, and what I like about the themed makeup is you don't necessarily have to do a palette bingo. You can just do a look for the theme. So I don't have either of the palettes, which I don't even remember what the colorful and the neutral palette are for April. I just remember that I do not have them, and I am not duping palettes this time around. But if you didn't know, I have a cat. His name is Blazemere. He is sleeping, or I would go grab him, but I don't want to go wake him up, so I'm not gonna go grab him. So I will throw photos. I will do a little photo montage right now of pictures of Blazemere that I have so you can see him. We've had him for just over a year. He is my emotional support animal. I got him from a shelter. He's neutered. He is a 4-year-old. He'll be 5 in May. Boy. I think that he's part Maine Coon because he's got big paws. He's kind of got the M on his forehead. He's a big boy. He's 20 pounds. Came to me 20 pounds. He's a big boy. He's a big orange boy. He's got orange energy. He's got orange brain cells. I love him to death. He's a dog more than a cat. He is the greatest thing on this planet. So we're gonna swatch first. So for his coloring, as you can see, he's a little bit yellow, a little bit orange. We're gonna do a little bit of pink for his pink button nose and toe beans. So I'm pulling in what is my version of the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. I have rearranged mine, so this is what mine looks like. And I just think that this is going to aid me very well in creating a look that is based around him. I'm gonna use this orange for sure. I think I'm gonna use this yellow. Let's do some swatches because I wanna look at these colors. So we have citrine. Let's look at carnelian. I think carnelian is too orange, but I think citrine, if I buff it out, I think that could work for his yellow. But citrine, carnelian is definitely too, like, dark. This is my Morgan shade, and I love this color. See, I think that's more his orange, more of like a nudie orange. So I'm gonna use those 2 colors together because this is Jasper, and I also think that's too dark. So we have those 2 colors. And then for his pink beans, I was thinking phlox. Just pull in a little bit of pink. And then for shimmers, because we have to pull shimmers in, even though, like, obviously Cat doesn't have shimmer, I'm for sure want to use this shade Agate. It's like, it's got pink and it's got a little bit of orange. I want to use that. I think I want to use that as my inner corner shade. And I'm thinking this Azalea shade as my all over lid shade because it's more orange. So that's what I'm feeling for the look. I'm gonna prime. I've only used this once, so for today I'm gonna, because yesterday I had a disaster because I took, it's a squeezy tube applicator and I just took it directly on my eye and there was like liquid that came out of this. I didn't know I had to shake it up. It was a disaster. So I'm gonna put, this is the ABH eye primer. I'm gonna put some of this on the back of my hand. Yeah, see, it like spurts out liquid. So I don't know if this is expired because I don't know if it's supposed to be so liquidy. I shook it up today. I shook it up real good. But I'm gonna take some on a brush and just prime the eyes with that. Yeah, I feel like I gotta get rid of this. I think it has a scent. Oh God, yeah it does. Okay, well, I'm not wiping my eyes off. It didn't give me a reaction yesterday. But today will be the last day that I use this. So, put that on the eyes, and then I just take my finger and kind of blend the edges out. I do think it looks nice. I'm gonna wipe that off my hand. Okay. So I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm gonna go into Phlox first, the pink. Or, yeah. Pink is my transition shade because it's such a light pink. So I grew up with a bunch of animals. I had really cool animals as a kid. When I was really little, we had a piranha. I've had 3 ball pythons, like at separate times. We had 3 different ball pythons. The piranha was cool, but I was like little. But I remember the piranha. I remember it almost dying. I remember constantly having the ball pythons out to play and like my friends being scared. Because I would just walk outside as a 3-year-old with a ball python around my neck, a 5-foot ball python. You know. Goals. This is a beautiful pink shade. Even though it's light, it's so pretty. So then I'm gonna take another fluffy brush. This is from Sigma. And I'm gonna take the yellow. And I'm gonna put it in the front half of my crease. Because I don't want to cover up the pink. I just kind of want to marry the 2 colors together. What other animals did we have? I had a cockatiel at one time. That was my most hated animal. We ended up getting rid of that because I got a cat. I feel like these yellows are gonna cover up the pink. I might have to go back in with the pink. But then we might throw the pink on the lower lash line too, just to really get it in there. But that's a beautiful yellow. And I'm gonna take that Morgan shade on like a flatter brush and put that over here. I've had one dog in my life when I was a kid. Was not my thing. I like other people's dogs. Like, I love dogs. Dogs are great. Like, when other people have dogs and I get to be around dogs, cool. But I just know as a person, I could never, like, accurately take care of a dog. Like, I'm not taking you for walks. I am not taking you outside a billion times a day. Like, I'm lazy and I'm not gonna do that. That's why I have it. That's why when it came time to like get an emotional support animal and I was looking at different animals that I could get and would get, like for Illinois rules, I was like, I'm getting a cat. I'm just a cat person. I've been a cat person. I've had multiple cats throughout my life. Like, grew up with so many cats. Indoor, when I grew up, they were indoor outdoor cats. I don't think that that's legal now. At least not in Illinois for them to be indoor outdoor cats, technically. This shade is beautiful. So now that I've laid all these shades down, I'm gonna go back into the yellow a little bit. And then the pink, just to kind of buff everything out. We didn't completely lose the pink though, and I'm happy about that. This is a lighter look, but he is a light boy. Like, he does definitely not have dark coloring. So yeah, I think that that looks nice. So I didn't need like any of these brushes. I will need that brush. Shimmer. I'm gonna go into NYX glitter glue because I'm gonna give my eye a minute to like reset before I go into shimmer mattes on my lower lash line. So yeah, I'm gonna take Azalea and I'm gonna pop that here. Like 2/3 of my lid. Yeah. And then I'm gonna take Agate and I'm gonna do that last third of my lid, and we'll do my inner corner as well. Oh, that's so pretty. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of Morgan. My eyes have been so watery lately, and I don't know why. I've been eliminating things. I thought it was my eye cream, but I haven't used my eye cream all week, and that has not made a difference in the slightest. And now I'm taking that pinky shade. Oh, I don't know if you heard Blaze Mirror. that's the whole look. Something super light and bright, and I think mimics my cat pretty darn well, if I do say so myself. So I'm gonna go off camera really fast. I'm gonna do the other eye, my mascara today. All of my base makeup will be listed in the description box down below because I already did my base, so that'll be listed there. But I'm gonna use the Kokie Maxed Out Mascara in Jet Black. So I'm gonna throw that on, I'll throw a lip, and I will be back. So give me 1 second. Alrighty, here's the final look. Got mascara on, threw a lip on, and that is everything. So I hope you enjoyed this Bingoofshame look. I think it did justice to my kitty cat, my best friend. So that is gonna do it for today's look. I can't wait to see everybody else's, and yeah, I will leave everything that is pertinent in the description box, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.